So I came to this job today. It was a routine pool maintenance. The customer just asked it to get it ready for a pool party. Let's go. Let's walk to the plant room and remove the cover. Now that the cover is removed, we will switch off the electrical so that we can clear out the skimmer. Let's remove the skimmer lid and clear out the basket. There's quite a bit of debris in the basket, and it's due to all the trees that surround the pool. Okay, let's get out our bag and we can clear out the basket and rinse off the basket as well. So I got the vac set up and let's hoover the pool now. So I've done most of the hoovering. Just need to hoover up a little bit of leaves and then we're good to go. Let's open up the drum now and add a few cups of chlorine. The chlorine was quite low, so it needed about 4 to 5 cups. Okay, let's just add 1 cup of chlorine to the skimmer. You can also mix it in a bucket and add it in. The pool's looking good now. Kids can swim. I do apologize for the audio and visuals. It's my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hopefully it will improve.